Good morning, everyone. Happy December 8th. Let's see, this one looks like it is, I don't know. Oh, pumpkin spice. That one is really, really good. And for the chocolate house, it's a little cat in a window. Oh, and it's a nice chocolate ball again. Come on, there we go. This one is Christmas trees and a house and a black kitty cat. Oh, he's ready for the advent calendar. Are you ready, Jack? Let's see what we got. Danny also jumped up here to join the party, so the two boy cats. Or you want some treats? Let me get this open first. Wait, did we say it was the 7th? It's the 8th. Oh my God, I forgot what day it was already. Oh, it's the fishies. That's a good one. Let me cut this open for you guys. Hold on. The cat swarmed me as I was trying to open it, so here we go. Sage, there's one for you. Jack, you were good. There's one for you. Danny, come here. Danny, come here. Come here, Danny. There you go. That's for Danny. Jack, that's for Danny. Here, you can have another one. There you go. And then, there you go. Sally is on top of the tent, which I don't like, but that's fine. Sally, you want a treat? You want to come here if you want. Nope, she's hiding. That's fine. No treat for Sally. Jack, you want another one? She knows she's not supposed to be on top of the tent. And Nutmeg, here you go. You can have the last one. All right, the Stalin cakes. No. I'm so glad these cats listen to me. Now I can't get this open. All right, this is another repeat, but I like this one. This is the one that I think has like raisins that taste like brandy. So not for you. You don't get it. That's mine. Okay, you got your treats. It's my turn. It is my turn. Yes, it is. Time for the pop-up tree. And we're number 8. Sage, don't do it. This is like Groundhog Day. Every time I put him down, he jumps back up. And this is Shock, one of the trick-or-treat kids. Do you want to hang it right here for me? Put it right there. No? All right. Say Merry Christmas, Sage. Say Happy December 8th. Nope. All right. Merry Christmas.